Hi, in this video I will show you how to buy Max token on Solana blockchain. First you need the Phantom wallet for Solana blockchain. Go to phantom.com and click download. Choose your favorite browser. In this case I'm using Chrome and I already have this extension. Just click on that, add extension on your Chrome or Firefox or whatever you use. Set up your wallet, write down recovery phrase and password and don't give it to anyone. Now when you have your Phantom wallet ready, find it in extensions. You need to deposit some Solana in order to buy Max token. You can transfer from another wallet or some other exchange, or you can buy directly in Phantom. Just click Solana, for example, add your credit or debit card, click buy, following whole process and your Sol will be in your wallet. Now when you have Solana token in your wallet, you are ready to buy Max token. Also you need a little more Solana token in order to cover gas fees on Solana blockchain. When you are done with Phantom wallet, go to CoinGecko or SolScan to find Max token. I recommend CoinGecko. In search bar type Max. Click on the Max token. Find contract address, you will see it here. Click copy. Also, if you want to do it on SolScan.io, just in search bar also type Max. Here it is, click on that. Here on the right side you will find token address, click copy, and now you are ready to buy Max token. In the next step, go to Raydium.io, click connect wallet, choose your wallet Phantom, and you will see here on the right side bottom Phantom wallet connected. Now click here, paste Max token address, you will see it here. Click on add token and click on icon of Max token. Here put amount of Max token that you want to buy. For example, now I will buy 1000 of Max token. Click swap. Here you will see network Solana, network fee and other information. Click confirm. Swap confirmed. If you want to view your transaction, just click here and it will show on solscan.io. You will see here success, and that means that your Max token is in your wallet, as you can see it. That is all. Thank you for watching.